Cities of men and manners, climates, councils, governments. Here, cities of men and manners mean he has visited different cities and met people with different manners and ways of life. Climates mean different countries. Councils mean advisors to king's ministries. Next, myself not least. Here, myself not least mean in all the countries I have visited. But honored of them all mean I was considered an important person and was beautifully or sorry and was suitably honored. And drunk delight of battle with my peers. Drunk mean enjoyer. With my peers mean opponents or enemies as brave and heroic as he himself. Far on the ringing plains of windy Troy. Here ringing plains means resounding with the din of battle. Windy mean where strong winds blow. In next lines, yet all experience is an arc where through. Here arc mean door or gateway. Where through mean through which. Glimpse that untraveled world whose margin fades. Glimpse means shines. That untraveled world mean the part of the world which has not seen. And margin fades mean the margin or end of those unknown lands moves back or recedes as he travels towards them. Next, forever and forever when I move. How dull it is to pause, to make an end, to trust unburnished, not to shine in use. Here to pause means to stay at one place. To make an end means to put an end to one's life of travel and adventure. To rust unburnished means to become dull mentally and inactive physically, like a sword which gets rusted when it is not used. Next, as though to breathe were life, life piled on life. Here, life piled on life means not one life but a series of lives. Was all too little and one to me. Too little mean would not be enough. Little remains, but every hour is saved from the eternal silence. Here, eternal silence means the silence of death. Something more, a bringer of new things, and while it were for some 3 sons to store and hoard myself, and this grey spirit yearning in desire to follow knowledge like a sinking star beyond the utmost bound of human thought. But every hour to silence, every hour spent in the acquisition of knowledge in so much time saved from death. A man may be said really to live only during the time that he passes in the acquisition of knowledge. Something more mean a bit of fresh knowledge that be acquired. A bringer of new things mean every hour of human life is valuable if it brings fresh knowledge and experience. While it were mean, it would be mean and cowardly on my part. 3 sons mean 3 years. He has grown old and may be expected to live only for 2 or 3 years more. To store and hoard myself means to conserve or save my energies to seek to protect my life from danger. Grey mean old. Yearning and desire mean carving for more knowledge and experience. To follow knowledge like a sinking star. So, guys, this is the very important line of this poem. To travel in the pursuit of more knowledge and experience up to the very end of his days, just like a star which moves across the sky till it sets. It is one of those lines of Tennyson that have become proverbial. So, underline this line. Next, beyond the utmost bound of human thought mean he would like to acquire more knowledge, even more than that can be imagined by the human mind. Utmost bounds mean farthest limits. Next para. This is my son, mine own Telemachus, to whom I leave the sceptre and the easel well loved for me, discerning to fulfill this labor by slow prudence to make mild or rugged people, and through soft degrees subdue them to the useful and the good. Most blameless is he, centered in the sphere of common duties, descent not to fail. In offices of tenderness and pay meet adoration to my household gods. When I am gone, he works his work I mine. So, guys, Telemachus, the son of Ulysses, who waited patiently for the return of his father and full 20 and sorry he waited patiently for the return of his father for full 20 years. Sceptre and the isle mean the kingdom of the island. He would be my successor and rule over the island where I am gone. Discerning mean prudent or wise enough. To fulfill his labor mean to discharge the duties of a king. By slow prudence mean through wise measures to our reform introduced gradually. To make mild mean to civilize. A rugged people mean the uncivilized people of island. Through soft degrees mean gradually. Subdue them to the useful and good mean train them and direct their energies to what is good and useful. Centered in the sphere of common duties mean he is interested in the performance of the ordinary duties of life. Decent mean sufficiently careful. In offices of tenderness mean he in his duty towards his mother he is sure to take care of his old mother with love and kindness. To pay meet adoration mean to worship in a suitable manner, to perform all dues rites of worship. Meet mean proper. Household gods mean gods who are worshipped in the family. He works his work I mind mean he will perform the ordinary duties of life in which he is interested, while Ulysses himself will set sail and have fresh adventures and gain more knowledge. Thus, the father and the son are well contrasted. The next paragraph. There lies the port, the vessel puffs her sail. There gloom the dark broad seas, my mariners, souls that have toiled and wrought and thought with me, that ever with a frolic welcome took the thunder and the sunshine, and opposed free hearts, free foreheads. You and I are old. Old age hath yet his honor and his toil. Death closes all, but something at the end, some work of noble note may yet be done. not unbecoming man that straw with gods. The lights begin to twinkle from the rocks. The long day wanes, the slow moon climbs, the deep moans round with many voices. Come, my friends. The vessel puffs her sail, mean the sail of their ship are bulging with wind. The wind is favorable, and so they must not delay. Gloom mean are to be seen in the surrounding darkness. Mariners mean sailors. Souls mean brave spirits. Wrought mean achieved. Thought with me mean have had the same views. There has been a perfect union of minds between them. Frolic mean cheerful. Took mean accepted. The thunder and sunshine both mean both fair and full foul weather. Oppose mean faced. Free mean free from care and fear. Opposed foreheads mean faced dangers and difficulties with blood and cheerful hearts. Closes all mean ports and